Before we get in today's video, guys, please make sure to go ahead and smash that red subscribe button to stay up to date with all my amazing Minecraft videos. Hey guys, welcome back to another video with your main man, Smooth Marky, and in today's video, I'm going to be heading to the absolutely amazing Baby Yoda Dimension. That's right, guys, I'm going to be heading to the absolutely amazing, awesome, and epic Baby Yoda Dimension. And I just hope when I make it inside this dimension, I get to meet up with Baby Yoda and he teaches me how to move stuff with my mind, because I could really use it, guys. I could really use that superpower. I need to know how to move stuff with my mind, because the other day I was using a public toilet. That's right, guys, a public toilet. I used it and then I knew I had messed up, because then it came time to flush the toilet, guys, and I did not want to touch the handle. It was really nasty, guys, and there was something brown on it. I don't know what it was, but I knew if I had touched it, I would have been a goner, guys, so I didn't touch it. So hopefully, Baby Yoda teaches me how to move stuff with my mind so I can go back and flush that toilet. Or else there's probably going to be some people coming after me, guys. There's probably going to be some angry people coming after me for not flushing the toilet, guys. But what you guys are going to need to head to this dimension is you're going to need 20 lime wool. You want to go ahead and place 5 of these on the ground, just like that, right there, guys. After you have done that, then you're going to need fur light gray wool. You want to go ahead and place 1 of these on each side of your lime wool, just like that, right there, guys. After you have successfully done that, now you just want to go ahead and you want to jump on up, grab your lime wool, and place 5 of these on this side, with 1 light gray wool right on top. Now you can just go ahead and jump on down. Son of a baby Chewbacca, that hurt. Actually, that's a pretty good idea. They should come out with a baby Chewbacca. Just remember, if they do it, guys, it was my idea. It was all my idea for a baby Chewbacca. But now you just want to go ahead and you want to place 5 lime wool on this side, and then 5 lime wool right in the middle, smack dab right in the middle, and then 1 light gray wool on the edge. Now you can just go ahead, run, and jump on down and take a look at this absolutely amazing, beautiful, epic frame you have just created, guys. Now you just want to go ahead, whip out your flint and steel, and light this baby up. Boom! Wow, don't that look amazing? That looks so amazing. That should definitely make you guys want to scroll down and smash that red subscribe button. Wow, that really does look amazing, guys. But now it's time to go to the Baby Yoda Dimension. This is going to be so amazing. Oh my God. I cannot believe Baby Yoda lives in a mansion. Are you kidding me? Why is everybody getting mansions but me? Oh my God, guys, I cannot believe this. Wow, this place is amazing. Are you kidding me? Oh my God. I cannot believe this. I cannot believe Baby Yoda owns a mansion. Oh my God, guys. And oh my God, he has a swimming pool out front of his mansion. Oh my God, now he's just flexing. Now he's just flexing, guys. Oh my God, I cannot believe this. You know what? I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to respect the baby, and I'm not going to go for a swim in his swimming pool, guys. You know what? Yeah, I actually am going to go for a swim. Oh my god, wow, this is amazing. I cannot believe I am swimming in Baby Yoda's swimming pool, guys. Wow, this really is amazing, guys. Wow, I really love his mansion, guys. Wow, this place is amazing. And oh my god, did somebody leave a cake on intended, guys? Oh my god, you do not leave a cake on intended. You know what? I'm going to go ahead and eat some of it, guys. They might not notice. You know what? They might not notice. That was a little bitty bite. They won't miss it. They won't miss it at all, guys. But wow, this place is amazing. And oh my god, Baby Yoda has a race car? Are you kidding me? Oh my god, this is so amazing, guys. Wow, and he even has tail lights. Are you kidding me? Oh my god. This is amazing. Wow, I hope to someday be like Baby Yoda and have a race car. You know what? Does he even have a license? I don't know if they give license to babies. I don't know about that one, guys. I do not know about that one. We'll have to look into it. We'll definitely have to look into it and see if Baby Yoda has his license. But oh my god, guys, I absolutely love his mansion. You know what I gotta do, guys? I gotta head inside and check this place out. I know it's gonna be amazing, guys. And oh my god, it is. It is absolutely amazing, guys. Wow, I cannot believe this. And oh my gigantic television. Are you kidding me? Oh my god, guys. I might just sit on Baby Yoda's sofa for the rest of my life and watch his humongous television. Oh my god, I cannot believe this. This is the best day of my life. Right now is the best day of my life. Take a picture, guys, because you're seeing me right now. And today is the best day of my life, guys. Wow, I cannot believe this. I cannot believe this, guys. Wow. This is absolutely amazing. Wow, I really love his mansion. Oh my god! Right there's Baby Yoda. No way! Oh my god, I am actually meeting Baby Yoda. Oh my god. This is a dream come true. Oh my god, I cannot believe this. I cannot believe I'm actually meeting Baby Yoda. Wow, guys. And why does he have so much mushroom stew in his kitchen, guys? You know what? I'm just going to take it all because I love mushroom stew. You know what? Maybe Baby Yoda loves mushroom stew. Do you want some mushroom stew, Baby Yoda? He actually eats it. Oh my god. He loves me. Oh my god, I think we're friends. I think me and Baby Yoda are friends now. Oh my god. I cannot believe this. I cannot believe that me and Baby Yoda are friends right now. You know what, Baby Yoda? I want to introduce somebody to this friendship circle. And I think you know who it is. My pig. That's right. My pig's in the friendship circle. I don't know if he liked that or not because he went running off. No, he's back, guys. He's back. He does like the pig being in the friendship circle, don't you? Yeah, he does. But can you teach me? I want to know one thing, Baby Yoda. And that's how to lift stuff up with just my mind. I guess he's not going to teach me it, guys. I probably should have knew that. But yeah, he's definitely not going to teach me how to do that. And oh my god, what are you doing, pig? Are you trying to go for a bath in his bathtub? Oh my god, this is his bathroom? Oh my god, guys, this bathroom is amazing. Wow, this is a really amazing bathroom. Isn't it, pig? You know what? Oh my god, my pig's in the bathtub. Oh my god, Baby Yoda's making him float. Oh my god, guys. Oh my god. Whoa, that is amazing. Can you make me float, Baby Yoda? Oh my god, now I'm floating. Oh my god, me and my pig's floating. Oh my god, guys, that is insane. Oh my god, that is amazing. I really wish you'd have taught me how to do it though, guys. But I think he's going to keep that a secret. He's definitely going to keep that a secret. And just look at this pig. This pig is just having the time of his life on Baby Yoda's bathroom ceiling. I cannot believe this, guys. I cannot believe this. And right here's Baby Yoda's toilet, guys. There's no way. There's no way I'm going to use this toilet because, you know, that would be really rude if I did that. But right now it's back his turn. You know what? I'm going to go ahead and sneak it in, guys. He had never even noticed. He had never even noticed. Look at him. All right. I'm getting off of it before he does notice. You know what? I'm going to go ahead. I'm going to check the upstairs out, guys. Well, he got my pig floating in his bathroom. I'm going to see what's up here, guys. Oh, my God. This place is amazing, guys. Wow. I cannot believe how nice Baby Yoda's mansion is. This is absolutely insane, guys. And oh, my God. Is this his bedroom? Oh, my God. This must be Baby Yoda's bedroom. Wow, this is really nice. But you know what? This bed is kind of big, guys. He probably don't need this big of a bed. You know what? Maybe I can have a sleepover. You know, maybe I can have a sleepover with Baby Yoda because there is 2 beds, guys. We might have to separate them because it might be freaky, you know, me and Baby Yoda having a sleepover in the same bed. So I definitely want to split because, you know, I don't know if he like sleep punches or like sleep kicks or he might even, I don't know, he might even like sleep choke me out. So I gotta watch out for that though, guys. Let's go ahead and see what's in this chest. Oh my God, he has a ton of eggs. He must be an egg collector. I better not let him see the eggs that I have on my back. And I'm talking about my butt cheeks. But I'm not going to be talking about them for too long, guys. But wow, this place is amazing. And oh my God, what are these? These might actually be like machines to teach you how to fly. Oh my God, that would be amazing, guys. That would be really amazing. Wow, I really do love this mansion. Maybe he'll just give me this mansion. Hopefully he just gives me this mansion. I'm about to head back down and see what he is doing with my pig. Oh my God, you still got my pig floating. I'm going to go ahead and throw some eggs at my pig. We actually hatched a chicken. You know what? I'm going to probably have to take my pig out. Are you okay now, Baby Yoda? I think he's okay, unless he don't like chickens. But who don't like chickens? I mean, this is a baby chicken. He's a Baby Yoda. I mean, babies got to stick together, guys. That's all I got to say about that. But wow, guys, this place is amazing. I really, really do love this place. You want to go outside, Baby Yoda? I think he wants to go outside, and there's only one way to go outside. And that's through a window. That's how I do it, guys. That's how I do it. So I just break out some glass and boom. Come on, Baby Yoda. Will he do it? Will he do it? I don't know. He might not like to go through broken glass. Oh my God. Come on, Baby Yoda. Let's make a break. Do you want to make a break with me or not? He looks like he wants to make a break, but he might just be afraid. Baby Yoda might actually... Oh my God, right there he is. He must be trying to come out this way, guys. Come on, Baby Yoda. Come on. You can do it. Oh my God, he might be too big. That might be the problem. Baby Yoda might actually be bigger than I thought. All right, let's go. Let's go. Oh my God, he did it. He did it, guys. Oh my God. You know what I want to do? I want to check out his backyard. Because if the inside of his mansion's that amazing, guys, his backyard has to be even more amazing. So let's go ahead. Let's check it out, guys. Hopefully it is amazing. Oh my God, this must be like where he camps out, guys. Wow, this is amazing. Amazing camp out area, guys. And oh my gigantic swimming pool. Oh my God. Why did you not tell me about this, Baby Yoda? This is amazing. I gotta go for a dive in this, guys. I gotta go for a dive in this humongous swimming pool. I'm gonna do it. I'm just gonna go for it, guys. Hopefully I don't miss. But then again, I don't know how I would miss because like this swimming pool is absolutely humongous. Let's go ahead and do it. Oh my god, what happened to Baby Yoda? He's probably somewhere down there, guys. Let's just go ahead and do it. Oh my god, 360. Oh my god, that was amazing. And right there's Baby Yoda. Wow. He's seen it all, guys. He had the best view. He definitely had the best view. Wow, guys. This really has been the best day of my life. And I love spending every minute of it with Baby Yoda. Because really, he's been the best part about this whole day. he really has. You know what I want to do? I want to see him make some animals fly up into the sky. That's what I really want to see, guys. Where did he go? Baby Yoda. Oh my god, what happened to Baby Yoda? Where did he go? Oh, right there he is. He's trying to follow me, guys. He's obviously fallen in love with his like little outside statue. Come on, Baby Yoda, stop playing around. What are you doing? Stop playing around. This thing's dangerous. You get hurt on this. This ain't for babies to play on. Well, I can't believe he's trying to do that. Yeah, that's definitely not for babies to play on. Come on, Baby Yoda. Come on. There he goes. All right, let's see this pig fly high up in the sky. Come on. You guys ain't friends, are you? They're obviously not. We're about to see it, guys. Oh my god, is he going to go all the way up to the sun? Oh my god, that would be amazing. That would be absolutely amazing. He flies clean up to the sun. Come on. Oh my god, no, he's falling. Oh my god, he fell right on top of me. Oh my god, that was crazy. That was absolutely insane. You know what? I know Baby Yoda, he don't want to do that to no baby. So we're going to go ahead and do it to this adult cow. He'll never even see it coming. Come on, Baby Yoda. Get him. Get him, Baby Yoda. What are you doing? Get him. Oh my god. I guess Baby Yoda don't want to get him. What's going on, Baby Yoda? Come on, this is a mean cow. Look at this cow. Baby Yoda. What are you doing? Get this cow. Make him fly. Oh my. He did it to the sheep. Oh my god. Bye-bye, sheep. Oh my god. Whoa, that sheep went really high. And oh my god, he's doing it to the cow now. No way. No way. He did it to the cow. Oh my god, what happened to the cow? I don't think it ended good for the cow. You know what? Go ahead and do it to this cow. I want to see it happen to one more cow. Come on. Come on, Baby Yoda. Get that cow. Come on, let's get it. Baby Yoda, are you going to... Oh my god, not me. The cow. Not me, Baby Yoda. Oh my god, I cannot believe he did it to me. And oh my god, he did it to that cow too. Wow, Baby Yoda. This... Oh my god, he did it to me again. No. I cannot believe he's doing this. Oh my god. He's like locked onto me now, guys. But if you guys did enjoy this video, which I know you guys did, please make sure to like, comment, and most importantly, smash that red subscribe button. And until next time, thanks for watching, guys. Bye. Wow, I cannot believe that Baby Yoda would not teach me how to make stuff fly and how to make stuff float, but he'll do it to me, guys. This is so double standards. This is really, oh my god, I'm trying to get away from it. Help, sheep. Help me, sheep. Oh my god, I cannot believe Baby Yoda's doing this to me.